Nick, the owner of Premier Auto Armor, and today we have a 2008 Porsche Carrera S, owned by Craig Strom, who also runs Cars and Coffee Corona. So Craig came to us and asked us, what can we do to bring this car back up to par? I took a look at the vehicle. There's a lot of scratching, a lot of love marks, but the paint is still inherently good. Your rims also had a lot of brake dust buildup in it, and as you can see now, it's very clean. You can actually see the dish of the rim. We cleaned that out. Once we dialed in the paint, we coated it in a ceramic coating. What the coating does is it enhances the gloss of the vehicle. At the same time, it protects it against UV damage and chemicals, industrial fallout. At this point, once it's all said and done, we basically restored it to better than what most 2008 Porsche Carrera S's look like. One thing that plagues Porsche owners that also plagued Craig was this kind of shark fin rear wheel opening clear bra. Back in 2008, the product that they used was manufactured by 3M. Its intended lifespan was 5 years. Some people even saw their clear bra in this area going bad within 3. It was so oxidized and dried out, you'd pick it up with your fingers and it would flake off. So that's why we went with the rubber eraser. In this instance, on a small piece like that, it works. So once we removed the clear bra, we had to polish out the paint and then reinstall this factory clear bra. And it might be a little difficult for you to pick up on camera, but that's its intended purpose. It's supposed to be there without you knowing that it's there, so it doesn't take away from the car. So now that we have the clear bra refreshed, the paint dialed in, it's ready to get the ceramic coating. Once we corrected the paint, we were able to install the ceramic coating. The coating is applied in liquid form and just demonstrate how well this stuff repels water. It just screams off the car. It beads up really nicely, so you can expect this to last 5 years, and that's why a lot of people run around saying hashtag wax is dead. It really is a brand new technology that is blowing everything else out of the water, and it's a fantastic means of preserving your finish with minimal effort. Thanks for joining us. I hope to see you again on Project Porsche Carrera S. Until next time, I'm Nick with Premier Auto Armor.